Alright, this will be a real quick video on the Volvo DuoProp. This is a DPA. Should work for DPA, B, and C. I already took it off the boat, but basically you got the cover on the back with two number 3 Phillips. Take that cover off and you'll see this part. What you do is you unbolt these 4 bolts. That's your shift mechanism. That's how it normally is, like that. That'll be neutral. Where this is horizontal, it'll look like that on the boat. It'll be neutral. Pop that off. There'll be this little keeper holding the 2 Allens in on the top. There's 4 Allens. Pop these out, it comes out this way. There's 3 Allens and then one is different with an O-ring. Take those 4 out. This is your dipstick. Take those out. Actually, you use the Phillips. I think it's a 6mm Phillips. You use that to take your steering pin out. So you loosen these. You take these 2 Allens out, and then you put these in, and it presses this out. You'll see it bottoms against. It bottoms against right there and there, and then that'll release the steering linkage. So then you can get the steering helmet out of the way. It'll pivot back. Take those 4 out. Like I said, the one is the forward port one. Forward starboard one is different. It's hollow. Like I said, there's the dipstick there, so watch out for that. Inside here, there's going to be some shims. Very thin steel shims. There's also a gasket, so watch out for that. Next, what I did next is this is a 30mm socket. Righty loosey, lefty tighty, so it's opposite. Hit that with an impact gun. That'll loosen that off. Then you can take your bellows off. And then what you do is you lift. And then there's 2 14mm nuts. And then there's 2 Allens coming in from the bottom. Hex-headed nuts. So you take the 2 on the aft part, come out of the bottom. The 2 forward ones are 14mm nuts. They come out. Then you can lift this whole gear case up and pull it out, and that'll release from your splined drive shaft coming off the flywheel. That's splined, that's splined. So you do is, if you're looking at it from the side, you lift it up, pivot at 90, and pull it straight back. That'll come off, and then you've got 4 Allens. Hard to see with the sun. 4 Allen holding this, these 2 yokes on, and it's got an O-ring in the middle, so it's kind of hard to pull apart. Also, I'm one-handed with no tripod. Hold on a second. That comes out like that. Pull that off. Next, hold on a second. Alright, so that's righty loosey. That comes off. This top piece will come off. There's also a shim there. That's your reverse cone. Half the clutch, so that's where the clutch engages. That's for your reverse side. There's an O-ring here. Take that out. And then this comes out the bottom. Oops. Hold on a second.